Hello traders, the title of the video is 3 questions for mastering the financial markets trading like a pro. Do you trade in the financial market? Do you want to master the financial market trading like a pro? Today I will be sharing with traders the 3 specific questions for mastering the financial market trading like a pro. In the financial market, there are rules that the professionals understand. There are different type of market participants that the professional traders understand. Okay, there are beliefs in the financial market that the professional understand. Okay, there are patterns. Okay, there are structures, all right, but there are also questions that the professional always ask, all right. So they want to buy and they want to sell a stock, a commodity, a currency pair. They will ask those questions, especially if they are technical or traders. So there are 3 specific questions that you want to ask all the time when you are trading in the financial market. All right. The first question for mastering the financial market trading like a pro is to ask this question: where is the financial instrument now, or where are we now? Where is that commodity that you are trading right now? That's a very important question. So now that we are on the monthly chart, my favorite time frame, and we are looking at Dupont Nemours, all right, an American stock that belongs to the basic material sector. The AP is Delta Delta. As I explained to traders before that are from different parts of the world, I only have a data for the American stock. So do not dislike me or dislike the video just because it is I'm just using all the time the American stock. All right, so understand that. So this is Dupont on the monthly chart. So we ask the first question: where are we now? Okay, try to look at the chart, and you want to know where are we now. That's the first question that you must ask all the time whenever you want to trade in a stock and you want to buy or sell or you want to perform a technical analysis. Ask that question first. Where are we now? Oh, that's a very powerful question. All right, can we call it $1,000,000 question? Okay, we are here. Okay. Now you may say, yes, everybody know we are here. So what, George? Okay, we are at the resistance level. Not only that, pay attention carefully how you will answer that question when you are doing it yourself. We are at the peak of 1998. So sometimes you are watching Bloomberg, they say that today Dupont Nemours has hit the level of $80, 14, which is the peak of 1998. So you are watching on YouTube or you are watching on television or on the web, and they will tell you that as the market open, they start a discussion. They will say the stock to watch today is Dupont Nemours because it has hit the level of the highest level of 1998, and that level, the level, or they may say the level that the professional watching today for Dupont Nemours is $80.14. You can note it down, all right, because they have asked that specific question: where are we now? So most of the time you are watching Bloomberg, they will be talking about stock that has that have hit a specific key level, so which means it's at a specific place. Where are we now? So that stock is now retesting the moving average of 50 after it crosses above the moving average 100, something like that. So we are at a resistance level for this stock. So that is the first question for mastering the financial market. This will help you to know whether you should buy or sell, and help you whether it's time, to be part of it or hold. You remember they say that the recommendation that they make in the financial market. They will say to you, buy, sell, or hold. Yes or no? Hold. But sometimes people forget about hold, which means hold. All right. So there was a trend. That trend has started in 1984, right? And it's continued to go up. But in 1998, it hit that $80 14 level. Do you think that the professional traders that are trading this stock, because they are specialists that are trading the Dow, the specialists that are trading the Dow 30, because the Dupont Mo is a component of the Dow Jones 30 index, they will know that Dupont Mo is at the peak of 1984. But suppose you are scalping, you are day trader, you are swing trader, and you didn't ask that question, you didn't know. All right, that's when the retail traders will clash with the professional traders. Okay, that is the first question. We are at a resistance level. We can Another trader may answer that question a different way, but no one will deny there are many. We can say that, oh, we are now in the fifth wave, or we are now in the third wave, and so on and so on. There are many answers to that, but no one will deny that right now we are at the peak of 1998. That's very, very important information to know about this stock. Okay. So the second question for mastering the financial market trading like a pro, here it comes, my friend. Are you ready? Okay. Where are we going? So after asking the question, where are we now? So you know where you are. Now you want to know, where are we going? To answer that question more accurately, we must use profit target. Why? Did you ask that question? Okay. That's a very good question. Why? Well, we should use the profit target. We should use the profit target because I told traders that no financial instrument goes up or down with no reason. They do not go up or down with no reason. They always headed to a specific target level. So to know where we are going, all right, we can use a profit target. By the way, we can also use the profit target to know where we are. Sometimes the price can be exactly at a profit target level. Understand that the second question, where are we now, or where are we going, where is the second question, where are we going, which means where is this stock headed, where is Dupont Mo headed, where is the euro dollar headed, where is gold headed, where is silver headed. All right, so you will use a profit target, and there is one here. Are you going to say, Joe, you love so much this inverted headed shoulder chart pattern? You talk about it in every video. I'm getting a bit tired of it. But don't be tired, because in a financial market, there is nothing new. What has happened before is exactly what has happened. It's happening all the time. Yeah? don't think that there's nothing new in the financial. Nothing new. It's all double top, double bottom, and so on and so on. Projection of channel. Nothing new. Don't invent it. It's not going to change. Keep it very simple. Rising channel, declining channel, horizontal channel. So normal price progression will be diagonal price move. Distorted price progression will be vertical move until the market rectify that. Those are the things. Simple. So we're going to be talking about those things very often. So don't think that it's the same blah 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 blah, George. Okay, now so this is an inverted head and shoulder pattern. Professionals know that, and they will say the target. That's a greedy target, though. So as they bought it, they put this is the neckline of that. I'm using the greediest profit target. We are going to $89 level. That's where we are going. You can quote me on that. So some trader may say, Joe, you are telling me to buy. The price will go exactly to $89.30. No, I never tell trader to buy or sell. In fact, I'm not allowed to do that, because the only person that can tell you to buy and sell in the financial market is the certified financial advisors. Okay? So there are rules, I told you, in the financial market that people are following. And we need to follow those rules carefully. Right? Even if we are recording video like this, we are very careful. That's why we say this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. All right. So so the second question, where are we going? Is going to $89.30. Will he reach that level? Maybe. But the professional will tell you, if you ask a professional that is trading this, say, okay, so where is the target for this stock? They will say, analysts may say, hold it, okay, and it may go up to $89.30. Price come to that target level. Some analysts may say, well, sell or hold or buy. I'm not telling you to sell at $89.30, but analysts, professional analysts, certified, may say that, may recommend that to their clients. All right. So the second question, where are we going, or where is the stock headed? Where is Dupont is headed? Is $89.30 using profit target? That question will help one to start mastering the financial market trading like a pro. Alright? Apart from that's the ultimate target, there's also midpoint target that was already hit somewhere in the zone of $69.94, call it $70 zone, and now we are heading to the $89.30 level. The third question for mastering the financial market trading like a pro: are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, here it comes. What has happened before? Have you ever asked that question before? Alright, so traders that are following us, if you pay attention to the video that I've been recording, you will notice that those three questions, I ask them very often. Where are we now? Where are we going? What has happened before? So pay attention a bit to some of the video. You notice that those three questions will come very often. And you may say, Joe, you just say the same thing all the time. You ask the same question. Where are we now? Where are we going? What has happened before? But they are essential questions that one must ask, okay, if one wants to master the financial market trading. Whether one is scalping, all right, on a 15-minute time frame, if you are on your 15-minute time frame, ask the question. Where are we? Where are we going? What has happened before? The third question is a very, very important question, all right? But because I just told you earlier on that there's nothing new in the financial market, and what has happened before is likely to happen again. That's why the subject of a predictive fractal pattern is a powerful subject. And talking about the trading software, they use what has happened before to predict the past, so to predict the future. So they are using the past to forecast the future. It's strange, isn't it? But it's true. Even those who are Christian in the Bible say there's nothing new under the sun. But it's true in this life, there's nothing new. All right? So what has happened before is that this stock was bullish from 1984 to 1998, and then now is correcting that people were taking profit. So if I'm using the word correction, it's for area wave traders, but it means that there was a bullish trend that was in play for many, many years, but then some people may say, and then it still came down almost to the beginning. But this is what we call the harvest time, profit taking, correction in the language of area wave traders. After that correction, there is something going up now. Is it a trend? For traders who understand area wave, we can say, hold on, don't talk about trends too fast like this. For ordinary technical trader, they will say that after, in 2009, it began a new trend. But for somebody who is following us at 24 area wave YouTube channel, will declare that a trend is in place only if the price breaks above this level here. This level of $107. So you may say, Joe, how do you know? It's Area Wave. Subscribe to 24 Area Wave YouTube channel and just start watching videos there, and you understand why Area Wave trader may say, oh, hold it, guys, you are saying it's a trend, but hold it, it will be a trend only if it finds support and continue to go a little bit above that level of $107 level. So far, it can be a gigantic, a flat correction that can end exactly at 107.70. So other trader may say, Joe, thank you so much. You just tell me to sell at 107. No, we don't do that. Okay, we don't do that. Okay, we're not allowed to do that. Okay. So you may say, what's the point of the video then? The video is to share trading strategy, trading tips. So you may learn from my trading tips and strategy. If you like it, you test it, it works for you, good, for free on YouTube. Alright, that's all. Alright, so those are the 3 questions for mastering the financial market trading like a pro. Where are we now? Where are we going? And what has happened before is that there was a trend and there was a correction. Now something, the price start going up. It looks like a trend is in place. Is it a trend yet on? Alright, so this is what you want to know. Alright, by asking also the question, what has happened before? Alright, I can record another video. It's a very, very huge subject. Alright, well, that question, because one of the most important questions, that's why I put it below. What has happened before is powerful. We can go into that deeper, talk about predictive fractal pattern, to talk about what has happened before, but I don't want it to make it too complex. All I'm saying to you, there was a trend from 1984 to 1998, and now there is a correction. Now the price is now recovering. It's now above, okay, a significant high here. Okay, so what has happened before? The trend was in place up to this level of $80.18, and then there was a pullback. Stock went down all the way to $15. Now it started going up. Okay, a trend first, a correction is in place. Now it started going up. But there are more to it. So what has happened before? Another answer is that this trend line, I'm going to color now into red. You see, it's a significant trend line talking about what has happened before, was supporting the price. That's the trend line that was supporting the price for many years. So it's a significant trend line. See, we can extend that trend line into the future. It's a powerful trend line, was in place for many, many, many years. Recently, you can see that even so from 1984, all right, up to 1998, all right, that trend is still in place. And recently, you see, in 2007, all right, okay, it hit that trend line. So this is something that has happened before. It's a significant event for this, okay, Dupont de Moore. You see that question, what has happened before, is quite okay, a wide, okay, question, all right, quite okay, important question. All right? Again, recently, again here, 2015, you see that Kennedy bar here again, that trend line. So talking about what has happened before, that trend line, significant trend line. All right. We can go on and on answering that question, what has happened before, looking into what has happened before. We can place a pitchfork tool on our chart. Okay. So connecting this point and this point here, allow me to draw, okay, another trend line here that I'm going to color now into orange. So that trend line, okay, in 1987 was a resistance prior hit it there. Again, in 1996, it hit that trend line again here. It finally break below that trend line, retest it. So this is the original trend line. And the price did, when the bullish momentum became strong, it breaks above it. We can project that channel up, 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 up. So look at it. That's where we are now again. It's retesting that orange trend line. So by knowing what has happened before, okay, that trend line is the orange trend line, it's a significant trend line, we know that, okay, all right. Apart from the fact that we are now asking the first question, where are we now? We are at a resistance level $80.14. Looking into the past, what has happened before, we know now we are also reaching a significant orange trend line that was in place for many years. It has happened before. Okay, so keep asking that question, what has happened before, and try to find different answers to it. Earlier we trader may talk about multi-way, may talk about correlation, all sort of things. Predictive pattern trader may answer that question in a different way. Play with it, work with it, all right. Try to gain momentum with it, all right? Practice until you master it. So those are the three specific questions, okay, for mastering the financial market trading like a pro. Even if you watch other YouTube videos, okay, and you will see a lot of our fellow YouTube creators in their video, notice whether they are asking those questions. You know, you will see that many of them will ask that question: where are we now? Where are we going? All right, what has happened before? All right, so where are we going? We want to forecast. We want to use the profit targets. All right, we can use area wave forecast to know where are we going. All right, this is advanced trading. We can use predictive fractal pattern. The pattern that has been formed before is copying itself and pasting itself into the future. We can know where are we going. All right, okay, and what has happened before. So first question, where are we now? Second question, where are we going? Third question, what has happened before? Or where is this stock now? Where is this currency now? Where is this commodity now? Where is this indices now? Okay, next question. Where is this stock headed? Where is this indices headed? Where is this currency headed? Okay. Third question, what has happened before? Okay, talking about deployment, talking about currency or commodity. So those are the three questions that you must always ask correctly if you want to start mastering the financial market trading like a pro. So this is the end of this tutorial. If you have any question or suggestion or comment, feel free to put in the comment section. I always read the comment. Sometimes I may not reply. All I do, I may record another video to answer your specific question, or as I'm recording another video, I may answer some of the comments. All right. So feel free to put your question or comment in the comment section, and in due course I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If you find this video useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another blah blah blah, please let us know by giving us the thumbs down. Alright. If you think it's an essential tutorial, feel free to share it with your friend on Twitter, on Facebook, and also on Google+. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders, talking about the three questions for mastering the financial market trading like a pro. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.